Welcome to EngravedDominoes.com. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to create a dominologist domino. It's basically the simple editing steps that you will need to create a domino that looks like the one in the cart here. It says dominologist. So I'm going to delete the one from the cart so we can start all over and create this domino for you. First, I'm going to go down and I'm going to select my domino. You can browse by category, or if you happen to know which domino you're looking for, you can go straight to the featured products and select your domino. I'm going to go with a double 6 with spinners with a black back and a white front. As you can see, as this page is loading, first you'll get a little bit of a description, then you'll get some pictures. The white domino is the default color, and the Domino Creator is over here on the right. I'm going to scroll down a little bit further than the Domino Creator and you'll see Domino Colors. If you hover over each color, you can see all the different colors. We're going to go with black back, white front dominoes. When you select that, you will see the picture up above here. Now I'm just scrolling up a little bit so you can see a better view. This here is the Domino Creator. That is our focus today. When you click on the text to change the text, you'll see this little box. In this box, you have a color, edit text, the different fonts, bold, italic, and underline, text alignment that for centering or left justifying, text transform. This is if you want all uppercase, all lowercase, and then transform. There are also a few other buttons: position, move up, and then scrolling over to the right, reset, and move down. Transform will be one of the things we are focused on today. So I want to change this text to my own. I can either double click on the text and actually start typing right over it as if you are in any word processor, or you can go down to here, edit text. I'm just going to use a backspace, but again, you can use any word processing commands such as select all and delete. I want to show that as you are typing or deleting, you will see everything that you do. All right, I'd like the word dominologist. After you're done typing what you like, you can click back. Now I'm looking at that going, I kind of wanted that in sort of a gold color, maybe metallic gold. Let's look colors. Again, when you hover over each color, you'll see that the name of the color. So you have maroon and red. I'm going to go with the third one over, which is metallic gold. Once you've selected your color, again, hit back. Now for the font. I would like something a little bit more regal than just a block font, which is beautiful, but not quite what I'm looking for. When you click on that, you'll see that you can either search for fonts or you can scroll down, and I would like the old English style font. And now again, click the back to get back to here. Now I'm looking at that going, that's a little bit tiny on my domino. Well, if I make it bold, that's not going to make any difference. If I make it italic, well, that's not going to do it either. So let's go over here to transform. When you're in transform, you'll see there's two slider bars. The first one is the size. So you can slide that to the right or slide that to the left. And notice you can make it so big that it won't actually fit on your domino. So make it to the size that you are liking. Once it's perfect, click back. To get out of this menu, you can click anywhere outside of the little box. Now the domino looks exactly like I am hoping it will look, and I want to add it to my cart. The add to cart is simply down here. Click add to my cart. Once it's in your cart, you do want to make sure that every time you see the domino from that point on, you are seeing the thumbnail of the domino that you like. So if you're hovering over the cart, make sure that you see the dominologist or whatever design you have created. If you actually are viewing the cart, again, make sure that the thumbnail is exactly what you are looking for, because what we look at is what's in that thumbnail and what is right here. If you've made a mistake and need to re-edit, you can click right here where it says click here to re-edit and change anything that you'd like on the domino before you complete the checkout. Also note that this 42px is often asked about. That is simply the size of the font that you had chosen so that we make sure that we make the domino exactly to your specifications. Thank you for visiting Engraved Dominoes, and I hope you enjoy creating your dominoes. Feel free to share them with others. There is a share button on every page, and we look forward to working with you. Have a great day.